As we contemplate the significance of the lion's identification by the Creator, we are drawn into the depths of its symbolism and spiritual connection. Beyond its physical attributes, the lion embodies qualities that resonate deeply with the human spirit. In many ancient cultures and spiritual traditions, the lion is revered as a symbol of courage, strength, and nobility. Its majestic mane and powerful roar evoke a sense of awe and reverence, inspiring admiration and respect. The lion's regal demeanor and commanding presence speak to a higher truth, a truth that transcends the confines of the physical world and touches the essence of our souls. At the heart of the lion's essence lies the spirit of leadership, an intangible force that guides its actions and shapes its destiny. This spirit, this attitude, is rooted in a profound belief in its own power and sovereignty. Despite not being the tallest, largest, heaviest, or most intelligent creature in the jungle, the lion reigns supreme over its domain. It embodies the principle that true leadership is not determined by physical stature or brute strength, but by the strength of character and the depth of one's convictions. In the realm of spirituality, the lion serves as a potent symbol of inner strength and resilience. Its ability to overcome adversity and rise above challenges reflects the indomitable spirit that resides within each of us. When we align ourselves with the spirit of the lion, we tap into a reservoir of courage and determination that empowers us to face life's obstacles with grace and fortitude. Moreover, the lion's presence in the natural world carries profound spiritual significance. As apex predators, lions play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems, ensuring the health and vitality of the natural world. In this sense, the lion embodies the principle of interconnectedness, the understanding that all living beings are part of a larger, intricately woven tapestry of life. In conclusion, the lion's identification by the Creator serves as a powerful reminder of the spiritual truths that lie at the heart of existence. It calls us to embody the spirit of leadership, to stand tall in the face of adversity, and to embrace our innate power and sovereignty. As we heed the lessons of the lion, we unlock the potential within ourselves to create a world of beauty, harmony, and peace. In spiritual teachings, the lion emerges as a potent symbol embodying virtues such as courage, strength, and nobility. Its resounding roar echoes across the vast savanna, symbolizing the inherent power of one's voice and the profound importance of speaking one's truth. Across numerous ancient cultures, the lion is revered not only as a formidable predator, but also as a guardian and protector, representing qualities of leadership and divine authority. Now, let's delve deeper into the lion's attitude and explore its spiritual significance. Beyond mere behavior, the lion's demeanor is deeply rooted in an unwavering belief in its own strength and sovereignty. This steadfast conviction serves as the bedrock of its leadership, evoking respect and admiration from all who encounter it. In the realm of spirituality, attitude is intricately intertwined with belief. Our attitudes serve as mirrors reflecting the beliefs that reside deep within our souls, shaping our perceptions and guiding our actions. The lion's profound self-assurance and unwavering confidence stem from a profound belief in its innate power and divinity, a belief that transcends physical limitations and empowers it to reign supreme as the king of the jungle. As spiritual beings navigating the physical realm, we can draw profound insights from the lion's example. By cultivating a similar attitude of confidence, courage, and self-belief, we unlock our own inner reservoirs of strength and leadership potential. Like the lion, we possess the innate capacity to inspire and uplift those around us, leading by example and embodying the divine essence within. So the next time you encounter the majestic presence of a lion, whether in the wild or in symbolism, take a moment to reflect on its profound spiritual significance. Allow its regal demeanor to serve as a poignant reminder of the latent power that resides within you, the power to lead, to inspire, and to manifest your divine destiny. Just as the lion roams the savanna with unwavering confidence and grace, may you tread your path with courage and conviction, fully cognizant of your inherent sovereignty and your ability to create a kingdom of light and love. Turning our attention to the eagle, we find another remarkable creature that holds profound spiritual significance across cultures and traditions. Much like the lion, the eagle is one of the few animals that the Creator identified with, emphasizing its importance and symbolism in the divine realm. In spiritual teachings, the eagle is often revered as a symbol of vision, wisdom, and transcendence. Its keen eyesight allows it to soar to great heights, surveying the world below with clarity and precision. The eagle's ability to ascend to the highest realms of the sky serves as a metaphor for spiritual ascension and enlightenment, inspiring us to elevate our consciousness and expand our perspectives. Moreover, the eagle's majestic presence and graceful flight patterns evoke a sense of awe and reverence, reminding us of the beauty and majesty of the natural world. In many indigenous cultures, the eagle is considered a messenger between the earthly and spiritual realms, carrying prayers and blessings to the heavens. The eagle's symbolism extends beyond its physical attributes to encompass qualities of courage, strength, and resilience. Despite facing adversity and challenges, the eagle remains undeterred, soaring above the storms with unwavering determination. Its ability to weather the fiercest of tempests serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of perseverance and inner strength on the spiritual path. In Native American traditions, the eagle is often associated with the Great Spirit and is seen as a symbol of freedom and liberation. Its ability to soar high above the earthly realm represents the freedom of the soul to transcend earthly limitations and connect with the divine. In essence, the eagle invites us to embrace our innate potential for spiritual growth and transformation. Through its symbolism of vision, wisdom, and transcendence, the eagle encourages us to rise above the mundane aspects of life and to soar to greater heights of consciousness and understanding. So the next time you encounter the majestic sight of an eagle soaring through the sky, take a moment to reflect on its profound spiritual significance. Allow its graceful presence to inspire you to cultivate vision, wisdom, and resilience in your own spiritual journey. Just as the eagle navigates the vast expanse of the heavens with grace and determination, may you too spread your wings and soar to new heights of spiritual enlightenment and liberation. Indeed, delving deeper into the symbolism of the eagle reveals layers of spiritual wisdom and insight. In various cultures, the eagle is revered not only for its physical prowess, but also for its profound connection to the divine and its role as a spiritual guide. One of the most striking aspects of the eagle's symbolism is its association with vision and clarity. With its keen eyesight, the eagle can spot its prey from great distances and navigate through the sky with precision. This exceptional vision serves as a metaphor for the importance of clarity and insight on the spiritual journey. Like the eagle, we are encouraged to develop our inner vision, to see beyond the illusions of the material world, and to gain clarity on our path towards spiritual growth and enlightenment. Moreover, the eagle's ability to soar to great heights symbolizes transcendence and spiritual ascension. As it rises above the earthly realm, the eagle reminds us of our potential to elevate our consciousness and connect with higher dimensions of existence. In this way, the eagle serves as a messenger of spiritual truths, guiding us toward greater understanding and enlightenment. In Native American traditions, the eagle is often seen as a symbol of strength, courage, and freedom. Its majestic presence in the sky inspires awe and reverence, reminding us of the power and beauty of the natural world. As a symbol of freedom, the eagle invites us to break free from the shackles of fear, doubt, and limitation, and to embrace the boundless potential of our souls. Furthermore, the eagle is deeply connected to the concept of renewal and rebirth. In many indigenous cultures, the eagle is associated with the sun, which symbolizes life, vitality, and spiritual awakening. As the eagle soars high above the earth, it represents the eternal cycle of life, death, and rebirth, a reminder that transformation and renewal are inherent aspects of the spiritual journey. In essence, the eagle serves as a powerful symbol of spiritual awakening, guidance, and transformation. Its majestic presence in the sky reminds us of our connection to the divine and our potential to rise above earthly concerns and limitations. As we contemplate the symbolism of the eagle, may we be inspired to cultivate vision, courage, and freedom in our own spiritual journey, and to soar to new heights of consciousness and understanding. In conclusion, the eagle and the lion stand as iconic symbols of spiritual wisdom, courage, and transcendence. Through their majestic presence and profound symbolism, they offer us timeless lessons on leadership, vision, and resilience. As we reflect on the spiritual significance of these magnificent creatures, may we be inspired to cultivate their virtues in our own lives, to soar to new heights of consciousness, and to lead with strength, integrity, and compassion. So, whether we are guided by the soaring eagle or the regal lion, let us remember the lessons they impart and strive to embody their noble qualities in our journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Together, may we rise above the challenges of life, embrace our innate power and potential, and journey towards a brighter, more enlightened future. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the spiritual symbolism of the eagle and the lion. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our work. Stay tuned for more inspiring insights and wisdom. Until next time, may you soar with the eagle's grace and reign with the lion's strength. Subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this.